Okay, good afternoon. Hope you are doing well. This is Reza. I'm gonna to continue my lecture as a video. I'm gonna to prepare some videos, and you have to follow up these videos. And definitely, I will share the technical drawing of these files with you on the course portal, and you will be able to. You have to repeat these steps definitely, and I will bring all of the works which I'm gonna do here is your homework, and it will be available on your course portal. Now maybe I'm a bit quick, but here because I'm not able to make an interaction with you and it is not too much possible for me to adjust my pace with your speeds. That's why I'm gonna to do this one definitely, since this videos is available, and you can, whenever you would like, you can stop the video and you can repeat the steps. So again, welcome back to this course, and I'm gonna to start a new part using file new. Okay, hopefully you didn't forget we have to select the part and okay. Now we have to wait for some seconds because this computer is a bit old, but we have no choice because I'm home and I'm gonna to do this work I'm gonna to teach you every week. I will try to share some videos with you, and I will put some homeworks. Hopefully this situation will be finished very soon, and we will be able to continue in face-to-face lectures. So I'm gonna to select here my, let's say, front, normal 2, create a rectangle, dimension, smart dimension. As you remember, we have to start from origin point, and all the time you have to be on positive and positive. I don't want to repeat these terms because hopefully you are familiar with these terms. Okay, here this height is 52 plus 36. Okay, it's 88, and this one is 36 cross 2. It's 72. Okay, as you can see, the color of the lines here is black. We don't need any more dimension. Now I'm gonna to go isometric view orientation. You may go from view orientation and isometric features and extrude. We have to extrude this part by 75. Okay, it's 75, and confirm. Maybe you may need to repeat here. As you can see, my unit of works is metric. It means that I am working on millimeter, gram, and seconds. If yours is not, you have to adjust this one. You have to select mmgs. Okay, so I'm gonna to rotate my object and select this edge, go to feature and fillet. Radius of the fillet is 36. Okay, you may rotate your object again and select this edge as well. Okay, I select these two edges, and the radius of this fillet is 36. Now isometric, I have this part. Okay, now select this plane, normal 2, view orientation, normal 2, sketch corner rectangle. Make a corner rectangle up to this line. Look, you have to start from here to here. Smart dimension, this one is 20, and here is between these two lines is 20. This one is 20 as well. Okay, color is black. It means that it is fully defined. Okay, view orientation, isometric. Go to features, extruded cut. Here you have to select true all and confirm. Now select this top, this plane, normal to, sketch rectangle, corner rectangle. Start from this corner and make a rectangle, but be careful, don't select the midpoint, it's up to here. Okay, now dimension, this one is 20. That's it. Color is black again. Isometric. Now I'm gonna to extrude this part, but when I'm looking to this, I have 30. Let's say that I have to make some calculations because definitely the paper will be shared with you. It is number, this one is number 13 in your paper. Okay, 74 minus, let's say 74 minus 52 plus actually 30, it is 52. Okay, you have to extrude by 52, confirm. Okay, now isometric, select this plane, normal to, sketch, make a circle. You may remember previous time in the lecture we can add some properties between two features or between two sketches. Okay, now I'm gonna to say this circle is concentric, means hold the same center point. Okay, with this arc. For doing this, you have to select this circle. Okay, and in your keyboard, press down the Control key, keep the Control, and then select this arc. Okay, if you do so, you will see some properties table at the left right here. Okay, and your choice for adding the relations is we have just here for these two features we have 4 choices. Okay, but I'm gonna to say concentric, means these two arcs or these two circles have the same center point. Okay, if I click on here, this circle, as you can see, will be moved to the center of this arc. Okay, now and you can see here I have a sign for concentric, so concentric and concentric. Okay, now dimension, this one here is 25. Diameter of this circle is 25. Isometric, feature, extrude, cut extrude, and true all. Okay, it will be true all and confirm it. Now here select this plane, normal to, go to sketch and straight slot. You have to create a straight slot here. Try to start from this point, be vertical. If yours is not vertical, you have to make it right vertical. Okay, come to here. Now third point is this, we are gonna to use this straight slot. You may get this point. Okay, try to get it and put on the midpoint. Okay, if you do so, the color of this point will be black. Okay, it means that you don't need to have any dimension, but be careful for this sign. This one is vertical. If yours is not vertical, you can select this line and you can see this table will be appeared right, and you can make this one as vertical. But in my case, I don't need to make it vertical because already it is vertical. Okay, so smart dimension, and put a dimension for this. The radius of this, the circle is 12.5. Okay, and still it needs dimension because this one and this one is blue. For us, this one is not important because it will not cut anything. For us, the term which is very important is distance between this point and this point. That's why I have to select, put a dimension for this as 30. Okay, now as you can see here, the color of all of the arc and lines is black. It means that you don't need any dimension. Okay, isometric. Okay, and you just need to go to feature, cut extrude or extruded cut, and here you have to say through all. Definitely you may add some terms. For example, instead of through all, you may put blind, for example. Okay, but if you put blind, maybe in this case, not in this part, nothing will be changed, but sometimes we may make some mistakes in dimensions, and if we back to revise these mistakes, if we select that this one as blind, everything should be adjusted again. So it needs readjustments, but we don't, in order to have a good file, definitely being professional, you need to select through all. Okay, now in isometric, and this is the parts. Now I'm gonna to show you how we can, if we made some mistakes in dimensions, how we can revise the stems. Okay, these dimensions. Now as you can see here, we have a tree diagram. Okay, all the features or all the sketch which already we did is available here, or history of all the actions is available here. For example, I have a extrude with boss for this. Okay, I made a fillet, I made a cut extrude, I made a extrude, cut extrude, and extrude. These are my steps. Okay, if I made a mistakes, how I can how I can change this mistake, how I can correct these mistakes. Now look here, you have to open this. You can see the sketch of this feature. Look, if you, since fillet do not need any sketch, that's why we don't have any sketch on the fillet. Okay, but here cut extrude have a sketch, extrude holds a sketch, cut extrude sketch, cut extrude and sketch. Whenever you made a mistakes, you don't need to erase anything. You just need to refer to these three diagrams and you need to revise it. For example, I'm gonna to make some change on the sketch of the first extrude. Now I'm gonna to select this one. When I'm selecting, this table will be appeared and just needs to say edit sketch. Okay, if you say edit sketch normal 2, okay, you can see my first sketch will be appeared. That's why I can make any change. For example, 88 might be changed as 89. It is possible. Okay, but in our case it is 88. That's why I'm not gonna to make any change. Okay, so we can back to let's say isometric view, and you can confirm it. Now this is my parts. In your paper it will be number 30. Okay, and if you wish, you can go to file, and you just need to, definitely you need to save these files. Be careful, do not do any cheats, because as you know, I can track your computer's ID number and the time which you did this part. That's why be careful. I'm very sensitive for the cheating. That's why you have to do this homeworks by yourselves. And along with this, then you can go to save as, and you can save your parts in your suitable folder. Put a name for the file as 30, and you just need to prepare these files, and you have to share these files with me. Okay. I don't know how the lectures will be continue during the semester, but I will try to, at least for these days, I will try to every day, I will try to every week, I will try to prepare some videos with you. I will share these videos with you, and the file of the parts will be shared with you on the course portal. And you just need to definitely at the lecture time, if not this week, not next week, but maybe in a weeks after next week we will have some quizzes. And if we have quizzes, I will share this file in the course portal, and I will give a time for you. For example, I will give you 20 minutes, and you have to draw these files on your computer, and you have to submit these files by to the course portal. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this lecture, and I will try. I don't know how much, what the size of the video will be, but I will try to make these videos short as much as possible. Good luck to you.